Negative externality in consumption. Negative externality in consumption is where we have the MPB line here, and below that we have the MSB line. Remember, if it ever says consumption, the only line that you'll be, in a sense, moving will be the demand line over here. So here the good is overproduced and it is underpriced. So we need to tax the good because it is a negative externality. All of that will make sense. Right, so the private optimum position is where MPC equals MPB, etc. The social optimum position is MSB equals MSC. Right, it's hard to judge the optimum position because we don't know how big the tax should be. Okay, if it was oil, I'd have the tax at this size, so we'd hardly use any of it at all, if anything. If I would regulate to ban it. Okay, so that is that from there. So overproduced point Q, underpriced P. So we need to get the consumer. We need to charge the consumer P2, but the producer will only get P1. Therefore, we need a tax to get to that position. MSB equals MSC. P2 Q dash is where we want to be because that's where MSC is equal to MSB. And finally, P1 is the price the producer gets. Right. That is clearly a chain of analysis. The evaluation bit is how big should the tax be, and that depends on, if it's the case of oil, how big the threat to climate change is. Okay? Really cool diagram. Thank you.